Hello, today we are going to talk about Polygon. Polygon is both a technology platform that enables blockchain networks to connect and scale and a cryptocurrency with the symbol MATIC. In 2017, Polygon, also known as Ethereum's Internet of Blockchains, debuted under the name MATIC Network. The Polygon platform connects Ethereum-based projects and operates on the Ethereum blockchain. A blockchain project can benefit from the security, interoperability, and structural advantages of the Ethereum blockchain while utilizing the Polygon platform to increase its flexibility, scalability, and sovereignty. Since MATIC is an ERC-20 token, it can be used with other digital currencies based on Ethereum. The Polygon network is governed, protected, and MATIC is used to pay for network transaction fees. Every block of Polygon can result in a consensus thanks to its modified proof-of-stake consensus mechanism. The traditional proof-of-stake method necessitates processing a large number of blocks to reach consensus. In order to be able to validate Polygon network transactions, participants in the proof-of-stake method must stake, agree not to trade or sell, their MATIC. MATIC is given to Polygon network validators who succeed. As a secondary scaling solution, the Polygon network aims to address the Ethereum platform's limitations of high transaction fees and slow transaction processing speeds. Polygon has committed $100 million to projects that will facilitate the transition to a decentralized internet, also known as Web 3.0. These projects will help existing blockchain networks become compatible with Ethereum, enable communication between Ethereum and other blockchains, and develop custom blockchains. Jayanti Kannani, Sandeep Nailwal, Anurag Arjun, and Mihailo Bjelic co-founded Polygon. The stage currently upholds north of 7,000 blockchain-based projects. You might be curious about Polygon's main advantages and disadvantages. Continue reading to learn about Polygon's advantages and disadvantages, particularly if you are thinking about purchasing MATIC. The advantages of Polygon include ability to quickly process transactions. Polygon is able to maintain fast transaction processing speeds by employing a consensus mechanism that completes the transaction confirmation process in a single block. Block processing takes an average of 2.1 seconds in Polygon. Fees for transactions are always low, with a typical transaction fee of around 1 cent. Polygon keeps its platform fees low. Some of Polygon's flaws include: not an independent blockchain. On top of the Ethereum platform, Polygon is a Layer 2 solution. On the off chance that the Ethereum stage encounters serious disturbances or fails to exist, Polygon would probably lose its worth. MATIC has limited applications. The MATIC token is intended to pay transaction fees and oversee the Polygon platform security. MATIC is not typically used for everyday purchases, as opposed to other digital currencies. Polygon is a secondary scaling solution that works well with the Ethereum blockchain and adds to it. The objective of Polygon as a blockchain development network is to enhance Ethereum. Polygon adds additional security, blockchain sovereignty, user and developer experience, modularity, and other features to Ethereum. Ethereum is gradually moving away from the proof-of-work consensus method and toward the use of proof-of-stake. Transactions can be processed quickly and cheaply thanks to Polygon's modified proof-of-stake system. In 2021, Polygon established Polygon Studios, a Polygon subsidiary specializing in blockchain gaming and non-fungible tokens. If Polygon Studios is successful, Polygon could become a major provider of technology for NFTs and decentralized gaming. Polygon hired a new chief executive officer in January 2022. Ryan Watts has left YouTube to join Polygon, where he was in charge of gaming. Polygon's MATIC tokens have been available for less than 5 cents most of their lives. The cost of MATIC has gone up a lot, but it still costs less than $3. On September 22, 2022, MATIC was trading for approximately 75 cents. MATIC has a maximum supply of 10 billion tokens. The vast majority, or 8.73 billion MATIC, has already been distributed. A significant cryptocurrency exchange is the most straightforward method for purchasing Polygon's MATIC tokens. You can fund your account with your local currency after opening an account with an exchange like Coinbase or Kraken. Additionally, you need a digital wallet, which can be hosted by the cryptocurrency exchange or hosted by you. Polygon is a technology platform and cryptocurrency that aims to connect and develop Ethereum-compatible projects and blockchains. Investors can purchase MATIC tokens on exchanges like Coinbase or Kraken. MATIC tokens are used to govern and secure the Polygon network as well as pay transaction fees. Thank you for watching. For more financial news and info, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons.